the Nozomi Super Express, bound for Hakata. We will be stopping at Shinagawa, Shin Yokohama, Nagoya, Kyoto, Shin Osaka, Shin Kobe, Himeji, Okayama, Hiroshima, and Kokura stations before arriving at Hakata Terminal. Cars 1, 2, and 3 are for passengers without seat reservations. Smoking is not allowed on this train except in the designated smoking rooms located in cars 3, 7, and 15. The smoking room in car number 10 is for passengers in the green cars. Please refrain from smoking in the train, including areas at either end of the cars. Hazardous items are prohibited on stations and trains. If you notice any suspicious item or behavior, please notify staff immediately.